Hi, scholars. We're here to learn about the next planet in our journey through the solar system. And that would not be Earth because we've studied Earth's systems a lot already. We're going to skip on over to Mars. Mars is a beautiful planet, isn't it? It's a nice deep red. And the red color of Mars is what caused the ancient Romans to name it after their Roman god of war. The symbol for Mars looks like Mars's shield and spear. Mars is different from Venus and Earth because it is smaller than those two planets. However, it is larger than Mercury. On the surface of Mars, it would be very, very cold. One of the reasons it's cold is that it is farther away from the sun, but another reason it's cold is because its atmosphere is very thin. And a planet's atmosphere is like a blanket. If you have a thin blanket on your bed, you're going to be cold. If you have a thick blanket, you'll be warm. Well, Mars has a thin atmosphere, so the surface of the planet is pretty cold. One of the interesting things about Mars is that we do know that there is solid water on Mars, and that would be in the form of ice at the poles. But human beings think that in the past there was more water and liquid water on Mars. This is why. Here you can see some valleys that scientists believe were carved by liquid water in ancient times on Mars's surface. You can also see in the picture on the right some canals. These things right here, that would be a canal, and that could only be carved by water. So scientists believe that in the distant past, long before there was life on Earth, there was liquid water on Mars. It is called the red planet, and that is because of the color of its soil. There's a lot of iron in Mars's soil. The iron reacts with some of the oxygen in the atmosphere, and that creates rust, iron oxide. Mars has two moons, and they are potato-shaped moons. Their names are Phobos and Deimos. Now, in Roman mythology, Phobos and Deimos are the children of Mars, and they are the gods of terror and fear. So it's kind of interesting. This is a great little video about Mars. I'd suggest that you watch it because what you're going to do is you're going to make a postcard from Mars. You're going to pretend like you live in the future, long time from now. And you had an opportunity to go to Mars on vacation and you're sending a postcard home. So you're going to put a picture into the first slide of your postcard, and you're going to make sure that you include a caption. Then on the other side, you're going to type a letter to me from Mars. And you're going to, in that letter, give me details about what you will see and experience on the surface of Mars, details from the lesson. Everybody, I hope you have fun with this activity. This is the only activity I'm going to give you today because, again, it's a little bit more challenging. So one more day of no social studies. Please make sure that, as always, you stay safe and keep learning. Bye-bye.